How to charge the golf cart in Sons of the Forest. So to charge the golf cart, you cannot use the batteries in your inventory. The vehicle itself is entirely self-sufficient but weather dependent. So as you can see right here, if you check out the top of the golf cart, you will see this solar panel built into its roof. So what you need to do is simply park the car in direct sunlight, just like this, and with time it charges passively, so you do not need to press a button or connect a wire. So do mind that it will not charge at night in caves or during heavy rain or storms when the sun is obscured. So to check the battery level, you need to look at the rear bumper of the cart. So there should be like a horizontal LED bar right there. And if it's fully green, it means it's 100% charged. If it's low battery, it should be color red. And if it's off, the golf cart is technically dead. So the battery drains while you drive, especially if you use the headlights, which turn on automatically at night. And that is how you basically charge the golf cart in Sons of the Forest.